Go ahead, Ms. Officer Micheloni.
Good morning. The 36th district in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now in session. At this time, there will be no drinking or eating, no smoking, no talking, no chewing gum, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a motor vehicle. Please keep your devices on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Miss Mary, these additional tickets you sent me, they're additional to the ones that I have in the file for Mr. Yotto?
Oh, that's right. You have the actual file. So, Your Honor, disregard those ROAs. I forgot you have the actual file.
Yeah, I just want to make sure.
So it should be 3 civil infractions and a misdemeanor.
Absolutely. Fantastic, Miss Mary.
Yeah, disregard the ROAs. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Okay, you were trying to make sure I had everything I needed.
Right.
All right. Mr. Yotto, if you unmute yourself by pressing *6 on your phone, please.
Hello.
Hello. 1 second.
Hi, good morning.
Go to this other spot. Give me 1 second.
No problem.
Yes. Now calling the matters of the people versus Remy Yotto. This is ticket number P1322672. Count 1, failed to yield right of way or interfere with traffic. Count 2, failed to use due care and caution. Count 3, failed to signal. Also calling ticket number P1322676. 1 count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. May it please this court. Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of Mr. Yaldo.
Mr. Yotto, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yeah, Rami Yaldu.
I believe this is the date and time set on these matters for an arraignment, or am I correct, Attorney Werbling?
You know, Judge, these matters, it's kind of a walk-in because we filed an appearance with the court on March 9th, but we didn't get the notice for whatever reason. I don't know whose end it was on. And so we missed the arraignment / hearing on, I believe that was May 31st, Judge. So I think a show cause had been scheduled for the misdemeanor, and the 3 civils went into default. So we did have an opportunity to discuss this matter with Corporation Counsel for those reasons, Judge, and they did stipulate and agree to set aside the defaults and set everything out for formal hearing / trial on August 30th.
Well, at this time, the court is going to grant that request to take these matters out of warrant status. Not warrant status, out of default, the tickets that went into default, the civil infractions. As for the case that is now in show cause, we'll make sure that he's arraigned on the information that the plea of not guilty is entered on his behalf.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It sounds like you're wanting him to have a bench trial and a formal hearing. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Mr. Yotto, can you please raise your right hand for me?
Yeah, sure.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I swear I tell the truth and nothing but the truth.
All right, sir, you can put your hand down. Have you had an opportunity to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes. actually, the police officer didn't even give me a room to
Hold
keep
on,
up
hold
the
on, hold on. This
insurance.
is
I had
not, no, Mr. Yato. This is not the time where you
Yes.
get to display how you feel about it. I'm asking very simple
Okay.
questions because if you keep talking, what's going to end up happening is that you're going to have a jury trial. And guess how many dates for jury
Okay.
trials I have in 2021? None. So I was about to
Okay.
say, you don't want that because then you won't be able to resolve this for a very, very long time. Okay. You'll have the opportunity to say
Okay.
what you need to say. Okay. So you
Okay.
spoke to your attorney about it and you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, sir?
Yes.
All right. So this matter is going to be scheduled for a bench trial on August 30th, I've been told. Is that the correct date? At
Yes, Your
9.
Honor.
Okay, thank you. At 9 a.m. Okay, it's going to be via Zoom, Mr. Yato. But what I need you to do is I need you to figure out how to actually get the Zoom cam because you can't see right now, but we can see each other. I need you to find a way to get that app on your phone or on a computer so that you can dial into the court that way on the date of trial, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal on all of these matters. So we will have a bench trial and 3 formal hearings set on the docket for the date of August 30th, 2022. Are there any other further things that need to be placed on the record?
Nothing further from the defense, Judge.
Thank you so much. If there's nothing further, this concludes this hearing. Y'all both have a great day, okay?
You're the same, Judge. Thank
Thank you.
you.
I
And
will.
thank you to your
Thank you.
staff
Bye.
for all the accommodations. Have a great day.
All right, you're welcome. All right,
Thank
Mr. Yato, we'll see you back on August 30th, okay?
Thank you. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye. All right, and Ms. Robinson, Attorney Robinson,
Yes,
2 of the
Judge.
people are trials today, and then did you talk to Ms. Wicker about an offer?
She sent in her documentation
Oh, I
for,
do have it. Ah. And Miss Mary did send that to me. Sometimes when they're too big, they don't open up. Were you able to open it, Miss Mary?
No, Your Honor, that's why I sent it to you. Hopefully you can open it.
Oh, I can't open it.
I couldn't open it either.
Oh, no. It's a PK pass. Okay. I'm just gonna bring her out.
Maybe she probably have to show it on the screen.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So, because I'm not able to see it. Can you bring her out and then we can bring the trials out for today?
Yes,
Yep,
Your Honor.
I'll go in and get her.
Thank you. Thank you. Attorney Robinson says she'll go in and get her.
Oh, well, I closed them out, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. Miss Darnisha Whitaker? Ma'am? Miss Whitaker?
I'm sorry about that. I didn't know the phone was mute.
Oh, okay. We weren't able to open up what you sent us. Do you have the copy of your insurance so I can see it?
Yeah, hold on one second. Phone right there? Oh, you took it off the charger. only got the wallet, like, you know how it's on my phone.
Okay. We had to be able
Screenshot?
to see it.
Oh.
Yes. I was about to say maybe if she can screenshot it and send us whatever you sent us. No, I can't open it up to verify it.
All right, I'm about to try to do it again. Screenshot it, open it up, and send it.
Okay, put yourself on mute while you do that. I'm gonna call a couple of other cases.
Okay.
Mr. Sawal Williams. Okay. You can unmute yourself, sir. Okay.
How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm good, and you? All right, can you find some place to sit still? I know you're at work, but can you sit still for me for 1 second?
Out to my car right now.
Okay, all right.
Excuse me, ladies. Ebony. I'm sorry about that, Your Honor.
It's okay.
Okay, I'm here. I'm sorry.
Okay. Now calling the matters of the people versus Sawali Williams. This is Z ticket 806681. This is 1 count of operating while intoxicated. Also calling case number 162865041. This is 1 count, no operator's license on person. Today is the date and time set for a bench trial. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Mr. Williams. Sir, please state your name.
How you doing, Your Honor? My name is Swaville Williams.
Good morning. This is the date and time set for a bench trial on this matter. It is now 10:01 a.m. Do you have any motions for me, counsel?
Yes, Judge, motion to dismiss.
All right. There is no officer present on the computer screen right now. And I believe there are no officers present in the courtroom. Is that correct, Miss Mary?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Thank you. So at this time, based on that information, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Now, Mr. Williams, I know that you took care of these other matters. I know it's been trying to figure everything out. They can refile it if they want to, but as of today, you're all set. Okay, sir?
Okay, I have another question.
Yes, sir.
First, before I ask the question, I appreciate you since the first day I talked to you. I remember I told you I had just started me a job. Well, you know, 2 days, yesterday they just promoted me to assistant manager. So
Congratulations.
I mean, and I got custody of my 2 young kids. So I've been going through it, and I've succeeded.
I'm so happy for you, Miss Mary. Mute the courtroom.
So my question was, do I have where do I supposed to pay the money to, or if I'm paying any money?
Well, these matters got dismissed today because the officers didn't show up. So you can go online and see if you owe any more money to the courts, because I know you're trying to get your license back, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can go online to see if you owe any additional money or anything like that. But as of today, these matters were dismissed because the officers didn't come to court. So I don't have any additional assessment fees to give you right now. But I also can't tell you if you owe any money to the court, because you may have some back money you owe. But as for these cases, you're all set. Okay, Mr. Williams?
I appreciate you. Thank you for helping me through this whole ordeal.
You're very welcome. Congratulations. Keep moving forward. See, you're working hard and it's paying off. So keep doing that, okay?
3 months now.
I love it. Good job, Mr. Williams, okay? All right, have a good day.
You too.
All right. Now, Mr. David Williams.
Oh, I can go. Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I don't have any control. So if y'all can get him off. Bye, Hank. There we go. All right. If you can activate your camera for me, Mr. Williams. I saw you were dressed very nicely for court this morning for your trial. There
Yes,
you go.
ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus David Williams. This is ticket number 1156-248, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, good morning. Sarah Robinson for Mr. David Williams. Sir, please state your name.
Yeah, David Williams.
This is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. How are we proceeding?
Judge, officers failed to appear at the complaining witness. I would move to dismiss.
The time is now 10:04 a.m. No officers have checked in online. Are there any officers in the courtroom at this time, Ms. Mary?
Oh, Your Honor.
Thank you. So at this time, the court is going to grant that request and dismiss this matter without prejudice. Mr. Williams, they can refile this if they want to, but as of today, this matter is dismissed, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set. Thank you. And thank you for dressing appropriately for court. I do appreciate that and I acknowledge it.
All right. Thank you.
You're
All
welcome.
right.
Ms. Whitaker, did you find that were you able to screenshot it and send it to us by chance?
I'm trying to do it now.
Okay, let me know when you have it sent over, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
All right, I just tried to send it again.
Okay, thank you.
I just forwarded it to you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay, let me call this matter. Ms. Whitaker, can you activate your camera and take yourself off mute, please? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Darnisha Whitaker. This is ticket number P11466601. This is one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. Ms. Robinson, you're on mute.
Sorry about that.
It's okay.
Good morning again. Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Nisha Wicker. Please state your name, ma'am.
Darnisha Wicker.
All right. This is the date and time set for a pretrial in this matter on a warrant, I believe it was, that was out there. How do you want to proceed?
Judge, I would ask that the court recall the warrant.
At this time, the court is going to recall the warrant and enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Attorney Robinson, I am in receipt of valid registration for this Dodge 2020 vehicle that was a part of this. It looks like she has valid registration now, until it's valid until, let me pull it up. It's valid until December 17th of 2022. Because of that, do you have a motion for this court?
Yes, motion to dismiss compliance.
All right, the court is going to grant that motion and dismiss this without prejudice because she is now in compliance. Ma'am, make sure to always have your insurance up to date, because when you get pulled over and you don't have it, they'll just give you another ticket if you don't keep it up to date in your vehicle at all times or on your phone like you have it, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's
Thank
nothing, you're welcome, okay? If
Yep.
there's nothing further, this concludes this hearing. You have a good day, okay, ma'am?
You too.
And unless anybody else has checked in, that concludes this morning's docket.
Great.
All right, you can take us off of YouTube, Miss Mary.
Yes, Your Honor.
So that's it. All right.